Today we're going to be doing origami, but most of our projects are going to use just a regular old 8.5 by 11 sheet of paper, so make sure you have a couple of these laying around. First up, you're going to fold about right here. Do the same on the other side. Try and get them even. Fold your paper in half. Fold it up. So for this, you're going to kind of unfold it real quick and fold this in. And then do the same on the other side. And then go back to how it was here. Flip it over. Fold that over just a little bit more and fold that up, and then fold this up till you reach that part. Fold this corner down, fold this corner down, fold this back just a smidge, same with the other side. And now you have your very own ray. Get another sheet, fold your paper in, do it on the other side, leave a gap, fold your paper in half, fold this down, fold this up just a little, fold the corners in, flip it over, fold this straight as you can get, like so. Same with this. Now, you're going to kind of grab this, pinch and pinch, kind of give some little creases there. And now you have a Darth Vader that also kind of doubles as a finger puppet. Take your paper, fold it in half, hot dog style, unfold, and fold each side to the center, kind of like an airplane. So while it's like this, you're going to fold and fold in, again, like an airplane. Fold the point down, just a little, fold in half. Do it like this. Color all of this silver and this any color that you want. And you have a lightsaber. You can color the back too so it matches, but my markers are dying, so take a sheet of paper, fold it hamburger style, unfold. Now what you're going to do is you're going to fold this edge to touch this, fold out a little on one side, do the same on the other, try and get it as even as you can. Fold these corners across about this line right here. Fold on this line, like right here where this point is. Fold this down. And you have a super duper simple Master Yoda. I hope you enjoyed these super simple Star Wars origami projects. If you are interested in where these come from, these are from the Origami Yoda series. You can check these out at our local library. I highly recommend them. They're really fun to read, and they have all of these really cool craft ideas in the back. 10/10 recommend if you want to learn how to make different types of Yodas, or Jabba the Hutt, or even characters such as Salicious Grub. Brownie points if you know exactly who that is. But such as the finger puppet Vader. There's a project in there for a Fortune Wookiee and a bunch of other stuff. So I really recommend you go check those out, and I hope you had a really good day and have fun making some more origami stuff. Thank you, and bye.